everybody. Today we're going to do these 2 trinket trays with 3D blooms on them and a crackle background. Welcome to Grandma Kathysartventure. Let's go. So I already mixed up my resin and I have this on fast speed because it does take a little bit of time to get these glass crushed glass pieces down into the edge. So I'm just gonna let you watch. I'm putting the crushed glass in, and then I'll get the heart trinket tray and I'll put the crushed glass in it. And the colors I'm using for my blooms today are forest green, Let's Resin alcohol ink, and blue Let's Resin alcohol ink.
Whiskey Jane, with your copper hair, you move like smoke, vanish into thin air. You've got a touch that burns, a smile that lies, and every man's dream hidden in your eyes. I've seen the way you look, I've felt the sting. You take the joy, leave the hollow ring. You dance through hearts like a storm through trees, and leave them begging, crying on their knees. Oh, Whiskey Jane, don't you take my soul. I'm barely hanging on, trying to keep control. You've got a devil's charm and a sinner's game, but I won't let you in, Whiskey Jane. You wear the night like a velvet cloak, whisper secrets in a trail of smoke. You got a laugh that could cut through glass, and a hunger for love that'll never last. I saw you leaning close, your hand in his, trading my world for a poison kiss. You're a siren song, pulling men astray, but
As you can see, I also had enough resin left over that I went ahead and did this coaster also, but I'm not gonna show that part because I didn't video it. But now I'm making my resin up for my crackle, and I'm using the forest green alcohol ink, and I put 15 drops in it. It was I believe close to 80 milliliters. I wasn't quite sure how much I was going to need to cover the backgrounds on these. And I wish I would have put one more scoop of that mica powder, and it was actually a chameleon powder in grape, because I was trying to kind of get like a peacocky looking trinket trays, but I'm happy with them. They didn't come out exactly like I wanted them to, but I still think they turned out really pretty. So this little coaster was actually just a little extra. So I'm just trying to cover the bottom of my trinket trays, and then I'll pour in the mica powder, and then I fill them up with clear resin.
but I'll find my way. I'll break your chain. You won't haunt me forever, Whiskey Jane.
Alrighty, we're gonna leave these sit overnight and we'll demold tomorrow. We'll come back then. guess it was too light. Look at that. So if I do this again, I am definitely going to put a little more mica powder in there, but it's still beautiful, and I'm pretty happy with that. This is pretty though. Woohoo! I'm happy with that. The crackle was not exactly what I wanted. It was a little bare there in the middle. But I love them. I have a little trimming to do on the back there, but oh my gosh, the bloom turned out gorgeous. And if I would have used a little bit more mica powder, that crackled background would have been perfect. But nothing's ever perfect, right? All right, everybody, that's it. Tell me what you think in them comments down below. And thanks for being here today. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday yesterday if you celebrate it. And obviously August was up first, and then Tanya with Creations with Tanya, August Acrylic Art was up first. And I will see you all in the next one. I'll put some pictures at the end. And love y'all. Have a great week.